Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix ScreenPal audio issues. Whether your microphone isn't recording, system audio is missing, audio sounds distorted, or there's no sound in your exported videos. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your audio settings inside ScreenPal. Before starting a recording, verify that the correct microphone and audio input devices are selected. Next, test your microphone outside of ScreenPal. Use another application such as a voice recorder or video conferencing tool to confirm that your microphone is working properly. If you're recording system audio, make sure system sound capture is enabled in the ScreenPal recording settings. Some operating systems may require additional permissions for capturing computer audio. Another important step is to verify your device permissions. On Windows and macOS, ScreenPal must have permission to access your microphone. Check your privacy settings and confirm that microphone access is enabled. If your audio sounds very quiet, adjust your microphone input volume in your operating system settings. Increasing the input level can improve recording volume and clarity, and that's how to fix ScreenPal audio issues. By checking device permissions, audio settings, hardware connections, and software updates, you can resolve most sound-related problems and create clear, professional recordings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.